So let's understand the next function today, which is more related to time. Yeah. Uh, Previously, we have seen functions which are related to date. Today, we'll quickly go through the functions which are more related to time. Yeah. Now, when I'm talking about the function which is related to time, the first thing that comes to my understanding is the function now. Now, what the function this function does is returns the current date and time as a date value. Yeah, let's see the function first, and then we'll try to understand what it does. So I'll say is equal to now, and it will automatically show me the current date and time. So just increase the column width. Yes, so it is showing me the date and the time, that is 22 hours, that is again 10 p.m., 10 or 11 p.m. right now, almost 11 p.m. Now, if I try to refresh it, you'll see this is 27 second. It will automatically change 27 second and it is 56 minutes, 27 second. Let's refresh it. Since I have added now, I'm refreshing the sheet once again. Make it a bit higher resolution. Yeah, it has changed. You'll see the time has changed 57 and 08 second. So it immediately captures the time and the date at which it is being executed. Or yeah. So now gives you date and time both. The current date and time both. Yeah. As of now. Pretty clear? Now, again, this, as I told earlier, as we did ask when we speak of the formula today, now is also similarly volatile function because it will keep on updating as you try to edit the sheet, or if you try to make any changes to the sheet, or if you try to refresh the sheet, it will automatically get executed. It will not wait for your command to do it. Yeah. So this may again impair your spreadsheet performance if it will become a bit heavy. Yeah. Now again provides the current date and time to create a date without the current time, as we have already seen the today function in a previous sessions. Now will always represent the current date and time when the last time the spreadsheet was calculated, as I've told you, I've shown you right now. Now, so either you use today just to get the date, or you use now to get the date and time both. Pretty easy. Let's understand our next function, which is R. Now suppose above function has the date and time both. Now I want to only get the R from this particular date and time value that we have received through now. So what I have is the R function. Now what R does is it returns or provides the R component of a specific time in a numeric format. Yeah. How it does, we'll see, is equal to R open brackets, and I'll select the value. Yeah. You see here, it is 22. Again, just to remind you, the time has again changed from 58 to 59 minutes and 46 seconds. So as soon as this sheet is getting calculated, it automatically updates the time here. Now keep a watch when I'll try to run the other formula, that is minute. Yeah. So this returns the R. So this is the 22nd hour for the day. So when I'm working right now, so this is 22 hours. So R returns the R component from a specific time. Yes. Same way, minute function provides minute component from a specific time. So if I write is equal to minute, and I'll select the value from where I want to select the minute or the time. Here again, as soon as this is executed, you'll find the minute has the time has changed to 23:00:39 seconds. And my minute is 0 because the minutes are 0 here. Yeah. Same way as we have for minute, then we have for second. So I'll say is equal to second. Just have a look as I'm typing the formula, just have a look at the date here and it's getting automatically. So second, I'll select the time from here or the value of the date and time from there and I'll say enter. Yes, so it is 23 second here. 1 minute, 1 minute, 23 second, which is again change. It will keep on changing. Yeah, as I run the formula, it will keep on changing. You will see that. Yes. Okay. So this is how you use date, time, R function. Now you again need to be very much aware that the input to the function is in the R, minute or second. The input to the function is either a reference to a cell containing the date and time, yeah, or you can have it represented in the date time format, yeah. Now you also need to understand is R does not auto convert number formats in the same way as Google Sheets does upon direct entry into the cell. Therefore, R uh, probably R12 0. So if I write this, so if I try to put this R, just give me 1 minute. So if I try to put the R like this, I'd say 12:0. Yeah, and I'll try to say sorry, R of this. Yeah, it will give me an error because it is not interpreting this as a date. Yes, or the time. I'm very sorry. So this is not interpreted as time, for which you need to do a date conversion. Yes, or you need to put this in double quotes. So if I put this in double quote, it will be treated as string and it will take it as time. You see this? So if I try to make it as value, I'll make it as number format. Here you are. Yeah. So you need to be very careful while working with this kind of formats. Yeah. Again, R, minute or second does not auto convert number formats in the same way as I've told you right now. Uh, Again, R, minutes and seconds returns the intuitive understanding of that specific component and is useful majorly for primary calculations rather than extract of the R and or the minute or the second, which is a component of it. Yeah. So you need to be very careful because we just do not extract date, time, a date, minute, or second just for a purpose that we want to get the value of it. We usually use in a practical scenario, you get this kind of components from an entire value so that you can work on it and you can do some calculations. Like suppose you are getting day, month, and year separately. So you want to work on it to get some calculations done. Yeah, you want to do some analytics on it. So that's why you break these components. And this is where the formulas become very helpful or handy when you're doing data cleaning or trying to get the data in the format which is required for your analysis. Yes, I hope this helps you and you'll use this formulas. Thank you so much.